When you first start using this CRM, you're going to want to get your leads from your website ported over to this CRM. And the way that you do that is by going to sites and forms and then creating a form that you can stick on your website. So I'll show you what one of those forms look like. If you don't have one yet, you can hit add new form, but we should give you a form that's built into this CRM, and you can adjust the fields that you want to request from your customers, like name, phone, email. You can also ask them for more information. We have a custom field in here for what do you need clean, because a lot of cleaners need to ask that question. You can ask them for permission to email and text them, and you can even change the color of this button if you want to. Other more advanced features, you can mess with the styling if you want to, but here at options on submit, when you want to redirect to a thank you page on your website, you can put that URL in here. If you want to add a Facebook pixel and trigger an event, you can do that here too, but we'll leave all that alone. So we'll hit save on this. Once you get the form looking the way you want it, hit integrate. And then this is where you can copy the embed code that you'll go paste onto your WordPress website or your Squarespace or Wix or whatever it is you built your website with. You should be able to paste like custom HTML code onto your site, maybe using an HTML widget or a code widget or something. Depending on how you've built your site, you should be able to do that. Go and replace all the forms on your website with this one. And then all of the leads that come through this form, every time someone fills out that form, you'll get a new opportunity in your pipeline right here. So, you'll have leads coming in here, opportunities filling in this new leads column. And every time you contact a lead, let's say you call Jessica back, you can move her to contacted. If you follow up with Jessica the next day, you can move her to followed up. And if she books an appointment, you can move her to booked. And then let's say that you finish the appointment for her, you're done cleaning, you can move her all the way to appointment completed, right? We'll leave her right here for now. And every time you get new opportunities, new leads through your lead form, you'll also add to your contacts list right here. And you can have conversations with those people if you've enabled text message marketing right here. And you could also do email marketing to the emails that you've collected using the email campaigns tab right here. So you have some options, but once you've created your form, you embed that on your website and you'll be able to start collecting leads. You can also collect leads with a chat widget, which I'll show you in a separate video.